Today, I'll guide you through the quick and easy process of transferring your cryptocurrencies from Revolut to your wallet. Whether you're sending to a Revolut friend or an external address, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. First up, transferring crypto to a Revolut friend is a breeze. In your Revolut app, head to the Transfers tab. Select your Revolut friend, choose the crypto from the drop-down list, enter the amount, and tap Send. Voila, the crypto will instantly appear in their Revolut account. Now, for those sending crypto to an external address, follow these simple steps. In the crypto section, tap More, then Send. Choose a compatible wallet or add a new address. Enter the amount, review the details, and confirm by tapping Send. Remember, once confirmed, transactions cannot be cancelled or reversed. A crucial reminder, Revolut cannot retrieve funds sent to the wrong address or using the incorrect network. So, always double-check the details before confirming your transfer. We also recommend doing a test transfer when adding a new wallet to ensure everything works smoothly. If you don't see the wallet's option, it could be due to location or currency restrictions. In such cases, blockchain withdrawals may not be available. Now you're all set to seamlessly transfer your crypto from Revolut to your wallet. Thanks for tuning into this quick guide. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto tips and tricks. Until next time, happy hodling.